Hey guys, Superior Airsofter here today to bring you a little, not review, but a little shout out, not shout I don't know what to call it, but just to let you know, I have an airsoft team with my friends Sam, Omer, and David. David is skinny, so he's going to be going through the field like straight up with an MP9. Omer, he's not bigger than me, but he doesn't want to be running a lot, so I made him the heavy gunner that's going to be backing us up. And me, I'm going to be like the marksman of the team, but I don't know if I would call it marksman. But I'm going to be carrying my Glock 19 by VFC, my KWA MP7A1, and a GMP WOC Challenge Kit Magpul Black Edition. So that's what I'm going to be running. And then Sam, he's going to be running, I forgot the company name, gas blowback SVD with a bipod and a scope, and then Bravo body armor. And that's what he's going to be running, because he's going to be the sniper. And then now, we're just going to be recruiting, so if anybody wants to be on the team, come hit me up on Facebook. It's Eric Lewis Jr. on Facebook, and hit me up on there if you want to be on an airsoft team. But just to let you know, it's either a high quality AEG or gas blowback gun. I really prefer gas blowback because I can't stand AEGs, but if you have a good AEG, that's fine. Or I would prefer gas blowback, but this is like, I prefer this more than AEG, which would be a Polish Star, because some people think they're stupid, but honestly, I think they're fucking badass. So if you have a Polish Star, definitely hit me up. I want to know about that. So if you want to be on an airsoft team, hit me up on Eric Lewis Jr. on Facebook, or on Twitter, Superior Airsofter. I think that's what it is. Hit me up on one of those if you want to be on an airsoft team, and I'll let you know if you could be on the team or not. Alright, see you guys later. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and this was Superior Airsofter. See you guys later.